Hi, and welcome to the ETL Rules training video for Mappenmaven. In this video, we're going to see how to set the ETL rules in various ways. So let's get started. Looking at the project we created in Getting Started by Import Project Data, let's go to the source, Sales by Customer. Notice that some of the fields have light bulbs by them and some of them don't. The presence of the light bulb actually indicates the presence of an ETL rule. So let's check out the ETL rule for date. We'll click on the light bulb and notice we see the ETL rule above. Let's take this rule out and click Update. And notice that there's no longer a light bulb by date. If we need to put the rule back in or just create a rule for a particular field, we can do this in a couple of ways. First, we can right-click over the field and click Edit ETL. And that takes us right back to this nice window. We'll put our rule back in and click Update, and we get our light bulb back. You can also get to the ETL rule by just clicking on the field, and that takes you directly to the ETL rule property. Here you can also edit, add, or remove the ETL rule. Let's look at the date ETL rule one more time. Notice that the fields covered by the rule are in the top right box. It is also worth noting that all the ETL rules actually live on the target field, regardless of where your target field is. On a side note, there are a couple of related properties, the executable file and server. These can be populated whenever they're known, so they can be a reference for the implementer. They work in a similar manner to the ETL rule in that they are available through the window at the top as well as individual properties for the field, although they are not related to the light bulb indicator. By the way, if you get to this window and decide that you don't want to make an update, all you need to do is close it by clicking the right arrow at the top. That takes care of creating, updating, and removing ETL rules. If you haven't done so already, this is a perfect time to update those rules. Thank you so much for joining today's video. Have a great day and happy mapping!